Good morning. The screen serves to showcase the new calendar that has been created for you. This is a Google Sheet. It will be sent to you as an Excel document though, just for ease of use. And you'll see that we've created the calendar for May just for ourselves. We are now creating this for all of our clients. The month that we're focusing on is June, and you can see that on the tab below. We've also created a month for July. What we've done is we've taken various different sources and we've had a look at types of posts that could be good and what are engaging and are really good posts to be doing. So July, there is nothing really there other than just our own ideas for now. So for the month of June, let me explain this a little bit more. We can see there are some posts that have already been done and approved by you, and these have been scheduled. If there are items that WSI are to do for the new posts, then these are highlighted here where it says WSI to do, together with what the post will be about below, as well as any hashtags associated with that. There are also notes on the right-hand side, and some of these notes may be for you, the client, as well as then on the right for our copywriter and people in our team as well. There are other areas, and these are called client ideas. These are simply ideas that if you want to add in yourself, so for instance, most people take 8 posts or 2 posts per week or 3 posts per week. That means that there may be additional days where there aren't any posts. If you would like to post something there yourself and you have the means to be able to do so, these are researched ideas that would be good for those particular days, and there is proven data from that. So if you would like to do that, go ahead. You'll see on the 4th of June here, the client idea post says, choose a question from this list. You can click on that list, or you can go to the bottom tab which says questions, and we've researched and put in a whole bunch of questions that could be asked. The idea of these questions are that they don't necessarily involve your specific industry, but they are there to engage people so that your Facebook posts, your social media posts aren't just going out there, but people are looking at them and taking notice of them and actually wanting to do something with them. So you'll see for the rest of June, there are a number of ideas here. Obviously, the idea for the 20th of June is not applicable for the Southern Hemisphere, so that can obviously be changed. Okay, if there are any questions with that, please let us know about them. Thank you very much.